Alright, you guys, I am back yet again. I have two more boxes to show you guys, of course. My single swag and FabFitFun. This is my second single swag box, and I'm really excited about it. I loved the first box, and I hope that I will love the second box. The second box is $39.99, or no, the price of it is $39.99. And then here is what it looks like. Love yourself. That's the hashtag. And here is my information card right here. It gives me the value and all the items that I'm getting in this box. So I'm excited to try and check all of this out. Alright, so my first thing that I'm going to pick up is the Amelia Rue. Look, it sounds like jewelry. So, let me see. It's a necklace. Curved ball necklace. So, the value of this necklace is actually $58. Let's check this out. I kind of know like what I was going to be getting. Oh my word. Okay, this is cute. I like this. Like, look at that. It's like a gold necklace. It looks like a short necklace. But that's okay with me. I don't really care. I don't wear a whole lot of necklaces other than like my necklace that I had gotten made for Sam and stuff for my son. And it has actually his ashes in there, so, but that's mostly the only necklace I really wear. But I do try to wear other necklaces every now and again. Just, I mean, because alright, so there is the necklace. It's really cute. It's like nice and delicate. It's not too heavy. So I'm really excited about it. So far, so good. Good job, single swag. This is actually one of my favorite lifestyle boxes so far, and this is my second box. Oh, okay, so this is kind of heavy. Oh my. So this is a mask, I think? Oh, okay, so it's Avani Cosmetics. It's a Dead Sea mineral mud. This therapeutic mineral mud is extracted in its natural unprocessed state directly from the Dead Sea. The mud is rich in minerals and naturally active ingredients including magnesium, potassium, calcium, and zinc, and has been widely utilized since ancient times to promote healthy, vibrant skin. Apply the mud in a thick layer over the body, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. A favorite spa treatment of the single swag team. That's interesting. So it's not just a face mud or a face mask, it's like body. So you can definitely use this. I'm excited. So I'm not going to do this as a try-on. I will definitely use this though. I think I'll probably try to use it maybe tomorrow or something. And put it all over me. So I'm really excited. So the value of this thing is actually $20. So hopefully it's a really good item. So I'm really excited. I like this. Those of you that have not yet tried single swag, you do not have to be single to have this box. Seriously, I'm married, so it's really nice. I like it. Alright, so let's see what this is. Sienna May. On my way. Oh, it's a passport travel wallet. Oh, that's nice. I even have my own passport and everything too. That'd be good. That comes in handy. I plan on going to, well, whenever Tyler goes on for classes and stuff, he's going to be going to Buffalo. Hoping that one day I can just go and follow him, and I can go to Niagara Falls one day. I think he's going at the end of April, but I think he's going to Cleveland. So I'm not following him that way, but the value of this is $28. But I do hope to follow him to Buffalo, and I'll just go to Buffalo for one whole day, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, or plan on doing. Okay, so this is serum. It's a face serum, brightening, it revitalizing, smoothing, dark spot reducing, complexion toning, and also tissue repairing. So that's really nice. It has a really simple packaging right here. Way of Will. I guess that's what. I guess this is what the name is, or the brand is, or something. The value of the serum is actually $38. Can I open you? Or what? Wow, that's a really interesting looking bottle. I can't. Oh well, maybe it's just telling me a sign like, hey, don't open me yet. Ooh. Has a very particular smell. So the value of this serum is actually $38. I don't know if I said that or not, but it's $38. Okay, so I got Hikari lip crayons. It's a duo, and the price of it is $32. So that's cool. I mean, it's not cool for the price, but I mean, you know what I mean. One is, this one is in the color caramel, and this one is in the color desert. So here is desert right here. It's like a nudie color, and it comes on like nice and smooth, but it's like it takes a while to like get on there. So it's okay. And then here is caramel, and oh my, I don't think I would ever want to use that as a lip. Maybe an eye, but I don't know. I'll try it. I'll definitely try that. Alright. This is the Chloe Emerald Calm and Cool Essential Oil. That's cool. Soothing, balancing, and promotes relaxation, while amethyst stones boost healing powers and chakra balancing. So that's awesome. The oil values $24. Oh, so it has like these little stones in here. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's what it looks like. It's a really simple packaging. It's supposed to like relax you. So it doesn't tell you how to like put it, like where do you put it on. you know, but that's really neat. I'm excited to like actually see if it is supposed to be relaxing. But I mean, I can understand with the smell though. It's supposed to be. It's like a natural smell. It has like a lilac in there, I think. This 100% all natural roll-on essential oil contains real amethyst healing stones and is designed to promote balance and relaxation. To use, roll one swipe on wrist, temples, neck, or behind ears. So it's like one of those things that you, yeah, I don't know. It smells good. I like it. Alright, so the last things are poppy macaroons, value of $4. So each month they give you these like little snacks. So that's really nice to have as well. Last month was these like brownies and they were delicious. This is a coconut macaroon. And then another coconut macaroon. They look really good. A lot of their snacks are like not, I wouldn't say it's natural, but it's like somewhat healthy for you, so that's really nice. I'm gonna definitely eat these while I'm at work tonight whenever I'm doing night watch, so I'm definitely going to be packing those. I'm sorry I'm not going to eat them now, but I'm excited. I'm excited to try it. So the value of everything on this box is actually $204. This is my March box. So, I mean, this is a great box to have as well. I feel like it's really nice. Yeah. If anyone is ever interested in trying this box out, I think there are some codes on there. I just need to invite you guys and you can save some money. I think there's like codes or something. It says refer friends, so you can get some money off if you're ever interested in trying this box out. Alright, so my last box is the FabFitFun. It's actually the spring box. I've also been wanting to try this, so this is also new to my channel as well. And I should have thought this through. I don't have anything in this box anymore. Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay.